What are you gonna do with that box?
Oh, fuck, that hurt my nut.
There we go. There's something else that we just unscrewed.
Hello, yeah, we just fucked my
missing.
case. Something's going wrong.
The computer.
One of the biggest purchases of my life, just sitting on the counter.
By the people, of the people, for the people. But the people are retarded.
Hello, I'm actually making a video. I'm making a new computer with this cunt. And we got Brid behind the camera. Say hello.
Oh, hello.
Now, oh shit, there's actual electronics here. Oh shit, look at there's a crow. That's a big crow.
Yeah, just take a shit.
So we're gonna be building. So first thing I'm gonna be doing, unscrewing both sides.
Nope.
Motherboard.
Yes.
So wait, am I earthed?
Not yet. No, you're not earth.
How do I earth
Touch the
myself?
metal. Touch.
Oh my god, okay, check that out. Am I good now?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
Hopefully one of the cats doesn't jump up and smack all this down.
Oh, fuck. Unmurder your cats in your own house.
I'll murder you if you murder my cat.
Starting off with the motherboard. So just take it
Slide
out.
up. Yep. Slide up all that. No. Yep.
One thing I do remember.
You've got the tiniest screws known to man in there.
Oh my god. Okay, check that out. Alrighty, here's the, what's it called? The B550 A Pro motherboard from MSI.
Say that again.
Sorry?
Say that again.
The B550 A Pro motherboard from MSI.
Yep.
Now the next thing, CPU.
Nah, thermal paste.
No, it is. No, nah. Ooh. I just dropped the semi. God, no. Oh, don't drop that. Don't see this.
That's the largest price to volume ratio of any part here, I think.
Where's the little thing that folds over the top? Ah, I'm retarded. I'm retarded. I'm retarded.
You shaking?
Yeah.
Just zoom in on that.
That visible shake. There's hundreds of pins that could easily bend and completely
Over
ruin.
1,000.
1,000. Oh fuck. Right. So do I just plop it in?
You need to line up.
Golden triangle. Where's the golden triangle?
No, the golden triangle should be on there.
Oh fuck.
You're shaking.
Oh.
So on one of the corners, there'll be a dot. See that dot there?
Yep.
You now put that corner in that corner. See how there's a triangle there?
So like this.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Then I fold that.
Yep, run it. Feel tight. See, that wasn't so bad. That's step done.
X is the amount of dedicated RAM I have for this server, which is 32. Rusty.
You don't need those hands.
Alright, I'm putting all my rubbish over here.
What are you gonna do with all that?
Pissing it. Nah.
What are you gonna do with all this RAM?
Edit vids.
Don't take the sticker off. Warranty void if removed.
What happens if the sticker burns off?
So see how there's a groove in the middle here?
Yep.
You need that. That's keyed, so it only goes in one way. That should be fine.
Is it in?
Yep.
Just push it in.
There you go.
AMD fan. Ooh, so much plastic. So much plastic those turtles gonna eat.
Yeah. I've never done an AM4 cooler, but I feel like this should be pretty straightforward.
Sock and I suck his toes. I be sucking cock when I fuck my bros.
Let's go. Bar for bar, blow for blow, I leave.
Alright, all the screws are in.
Let's go.
Never cut towards yourself, always cut towards your friends.
Oh,
It's good advice.
Is it going? Fuck. Ooh. Ooh, I don't want to do that. Fuck. Screw.
Screw.
Oh, there we go.
Make sure it's pushed all the way in. And it should line up with that screw. But hold on, we need the top thing to go over the top of it.
What should I do, you reckon?
Let's do the motherboard.
Suck his dick, it's in my throat. I be sucking dick till I fucking choke.
In 5 years, I'm top
I
5.
be sucking penis, I slop guys.
Oh, wait. I know what they are.
Yeah. Oh.
The accessory box. Hound dog. I want to be a terrorist. What's up, vlog squad? It's Ham. It's so fucking hot in my car.
There we go.
It's been sitting in my room for probably 5 or 6 months.
Computer's gonna start coughing when it boots up.
The fan looks a bit too chunky for it.
Yeah, it's a bit tight in here. Might need to put the fan in first because that's gonna be AIDS.
Oh no! The motherboard!
There we go.
It's broken!
What did you do?
I dropped it.
1,000 watts. Is that like a whole pamphlet about how like you
Give
should
it a
use
sniff.
it? What the fuck?
You haven't really spoken much to the audience, Jack.
Yeah, I haven't.
So what's going
That's
on
true.
right now?
So-
Explain.
We're putting the power supply in, but the power supply, much like a big black Shaquille O'Neal to like a white midget, it don't fit.
It don't fit.
So we're unscrewing the bottom out.
Or break it.
That hurts.
That looks like the only way to get this undone. There we go.
You broke it.
I ain't doing that again. That was scary.
I mean, the only way to get...
Oh wait, we already got the hole.
Hold on, we're an idiot.
We already. Fuck. I think I cross-threaded it again.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Send it straight, mate.
Fans.
Yeah, why not? Let's do the fans next.
I'm retarded. Can you help me with this? I actually have Down syndrome and autism. I have autism.
Sorry, deep. Sorry. What happened?
Be like this. I'd be like.
Hold on.
Your fan's got a death wish, bro.
I was too busy pretending to be Brad when he takes a piss in the morning. He has his hand up against the wall. He goes. It takes.
No one does this. Look at those fanny boys.
Yo, look! Check out the fans.
The old dusty fans.
Hard drive.
Yeah, why not? Don't drop them and don't yell at them too loudly. I don't like that.
Yell at me, mate. What?
Hard drives lose performance when there's loud noises.
Yeah. Fuck off, cunt. Stop being.
I'm not. I'm being. Yeah, when they're running. If you shout at a hard drive, like really loudly, or have any really loud noise near a hard drive,
Don't scream at it.
it'll lose performance.
I reckon.
Let's get an action shot of Jack doing this.
It's like
Stop
trying to put
having
your.
sex with the case.
It's like trying to put your dick in a Cheerio.
I think it's 8 screws required.
Jack, it looks like the hard drive's too big. You gotta buy a new one. Small one. You gotta wait another 6 months.
I reckon we just break those off.
Sure?
Uh-huh.
Don't you need those?
No. Send it home. I reckon we break these off. Look away.
Imagine if there's no slide in.
It will now.
Okay, I think that's. I'm not this retarded that I can't open a bag.
Look at that. Alright.
Check that out, Brad.
Let's connect those up.
Cable management, yuck.
Yeah, who made this cable, bro? Yeah. Next step. Let's put the graphics card in. Make sure it fits in my computer first.
Yeah.
Don't break it. Is that
Okay.
gonna fit?
Don't say that. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. That's not
Oh my god.
Sure.
I'll be back in a sec.
You want Bryn to try and hold it?
Oh, someone else can.
How many frames do you reckon this bad boy's gonna get?
dirty.
Let's go.
I've become louder than a PS4.
That good?
Yep, looks good.
Cool.
Alright, get your bag of cake.
Whoa.
What's
I
that?
was not expecting that.
We've got a couple more connections to make, so we need the power button and the front USB to work. There we go, there's one in. Up here, we've got some cables that we need to run to the motherboard, I think. This is going to be a pain in the arse.
We'll get messaged.
Alright, ready?
Give me
Ready?
Okay.
Let's go.
The RGB.
Let's go. The computer died. We're checking it out. It turned on.
Oh, you got low battery on the camera.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just like fix it. Oh my god, it turned on.
Yay!
Let's check.
And we're here where the good audio lies. The fucking back in the booth. This shit has been fucking awesome. Building it was a fun experience, just fucking around. But this new setup, the 2 monitors, the new keyboard, mouse, the mic, it's been really cool. Thanks to Ethan for helping me build that. He didn't have to do that. I would have been a blithering fucking retard if I tried to do that by myself. But having it in here, having it for a week, I haven't really played anything, to be honest, besides like a bit of Halo Infinite and like one game of like Halo Reach. But I'm really excited to fucking actually be able to use this thing in the future. Editing has been pretty smooth, you know. I ran into some hurdles. This camera, for instance, I got recently, like, it's kind of fucking scuffed, but hey, first video uploaded in yonks, and I'm really excited to actually be able to edit more videos, make more videos, and yeah, here's my mess. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, which is probably going to be something epic. See ya.